Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have JAX here, has been with us before, and this time we have a song called Too Young to Be Old. A beautiful song, and this one is pretty much piano based. That means we're gonna have a very easy time to play this one. Normally, when it comes to pianos, they play just straight downs when it comes to these kind of songs, and that's the case with this one as well. We're just gonna work with downs, simple downs, and no need for any capo here, only 5 chords. Let's go into this. So we're gonna start with the chords. We have D first, and that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have A next, so that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have B minor, bar chord, where you play the bar on the 2nd fret. You bar 5 strings from bottom up like this. You don't have to bar the last E string. So you add that on, and then you need to add also 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have the 2nd bar chord, and that's the F sharp minor. The bar is still on the 2nd fret, and this time you need to bar all strings. Then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And the final chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Yeah, and like I said, just plain downs. So we can actually start the song immediately, and I'm gonna speak and play meanwhile. So we're gonna look at the verse now, and that is very easy actually. D4, then A4, B minor 4, and G4. That is 1 round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. That is the first verse. Over now to the pre-chorus. You're gonna stay with G where you ended the verse, and you're gonna play G4, A4, B minor 4, and A1, and a big pause. You're gonna play it for only this 1 round, and that pause builds up for the chorus part. So the chorus part has 4 rounds, you can say, or 4 rows. So I think I'm gonna explain it first for you. The 1st, the 2nd, and the 4th row will be the same, or bar, whatever you're gonna call it, will be played in the same way. It's D2, A2, B minor 2, and G2. That's the 1st, the 2nd, and the 4th. But the 3rd one will be just a slight difference there. It will be D2, then F sharp minor 2. Instead of A2, play F sharp minor 2, and the rest is the same, B minor 2 and G2. So now I can play for you, and it goes D2, A2, B minor 2, G2. Again. Now D2, F sharp 2, B minor 2, G2, and the final D2, A2, B minor 2, and G2. Okay, that is the chorus part, and after this first chorus we have an instrumental part. It's just simply D4. And then starts the next 2nd round of everything. All right, that will be repeated there for the verse play. So yeah, you're gonna play now the D4, A4, B minor 4, but instead of playing G4 in the end, in this 2nd verse, you're gonna play G2 and A2. So you're gonna split that G on G2 and A2. But you're gonna play it still in 2 chord progression rounds. So 1 round will be D4, A4, B minor 4, G2, A2, and then again the same. 2 rounds of that. That takes us to the second pre-chorus, playing the exact same way as the first one. And the second chorus, no changes there, very much the same as the first one. After that second chorus comes a bridge part, and we're now about 2 minutes and 29 seconds into this song. You're gonna play only 1 down per chord, so that means big pauses in between the chords. You're gonna play D, then A, then B minor, and then G. Only for this 1 round. And after this bridge part that finishes with this 1 round, you have the final chorus part left, and that's a third chorus. You're gonna play that in the exact same way. You're gonna follow the D2, A2, B minor 2, G2 for 2 rounds, then third round D2, F sharp minor 2, B minor 2, and G2, and the final round D2, A2, B minor 2, and G2. Now, that last row there, you're gonna play it only 1 down per chord. So that means big pauses in between, exactly the same as the bridge play at that final 4th row in the 3rd chorus. And with that, you have finished the song from JAX called Too Young to Be Old. A beautiful song there. So give it a try. Very neat song and a good song to really practice just the plain basic stuff of switching between easy chords, not too much work, just playing downs and focusing on getting something right there. Very kind of basic playing there. So good luck with this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to support me, please do. Till next time, play tuned.